Hi, first grade friends. I hope that you're having a great Monday so far. We're going to have a great week. I have some news for you. The teachers in Kingsport City have been working together to create videos for our lessons. We are working as a team, as a first grade team. I think every grade's doing this, but our first grade team is making videos and we're sharing with each other. So you won't see my face as much as you have been seeing it, but you're going to see some of my friends teach your lessons and do a fantastic job. I'm still going to be on here. I'm still watching and looking at your lessons. I'm watching and looking for the pictures of your work. And I'll probably put a video here and there just because I want you to see my face and not forget me. I hope that you all will do great with our new videos. Please let me know if you need any help or if you have any questions. I'm here to help you, and I hope that you all have a wonderful week. I'll see you at our Google Meet. Bye.